In front of me is ACER Iconia Tab P11, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then you need to click on Passwords and Accounts. Select this gear next to Google and tap on Google Password Manager to click on Add Password at the top. Finally, input all of those informations. Over here you can type in any website or click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!